Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about fashion affiliate programs. Now, these are some of the top and best fashion affiliate programs that you can use to start making money with your fashion blog as soon as possible. You can also use these programs to promote products with your Instagram account, your social media profiles on Pinterest, or wherever it is that you are promoting these products. Now, most of these companies are easy to get into, but some of them may require you have a blog. So let's get started. So first on my list is this website called misguided.com. Now, as you can see here, they have tons of different products on here for women that you can go ahead and promote, and I love their different type of accessories and clothing and all of the good stuff that they have on this website. As you can see here, they have different categories: summer wear, loungewear, dresses, tops, and everything else in between, accessories, shoes, whatever it is that you want to promote as a fashion blogger. You can go ahead and join this program. Now, Misguided, they have their affiliate program through affiliatewindow.com, and that is AWIN, but you will actually have to pay a $5 fee to be able to join AWIN. Now, AWIN pays out through direct deposits and Payoneer, so you can expect to get paid every month or every other month using the AWIN platform to promote different affiliate programs. Now, with that being said, anything that you promote from this website, you are going to be getting up to 6% commission per sale. But they convert highly because they have a lot of different beautiful clothing on here that are irresistible, and they're going to be easy to promote to your audience. So next on my list is Nordstrom.com. Now, this is a retail website that have tons of different products that you can promote in the fashion niche guide. Now, similar to Amazon, they have gifts on here that you can promote. They have products for women, for men, for kids. They have beauty products, and they also have designer collections as well. Now, Nordstrom pays out 8% commission per sale, and it is easy to sign up if you have a fashion blog or a fashion website. Now, they pay out monthly through check, guys. So if you don't have means of getting paid by check in your country, then I recommend that you skip this website. But to go ahead and sign up for the affiliate program, simply go to Google and type in Nordstrom affiliate program, and you want to go ahead and click the first result, which is going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and become an affiliate. They have all of the different answers here to all of your affiliate questions, how much you can earn, how you can join, and all of the different good stuff. So go ahead and check it out. If you have a means of getting paid by check, I recommend this affiliate program because Amazon has lowered their commissions, and fashion bloggers are not making much from the platform these days. So go ahead and check it out, guys. So next on my list, guys, is this website called Paulfredrick.com. Now, if you are in the male fashion niche, this is going to be perfect because they have everything from dress shirts, ties, shoes, sport coats, pants, casual shirts, and everything that a man wears you can find on this website. Now, they pay out 14% commissions per sale, and you get paid through direct deposits into your bank account. Now, I highly recommend you go ahead and check out this website because they have some cool different fashion clothing on here that you can promote to your audience. So go ahead and check it out. Now, to go ahead and sign up for the affiliate program, you will need to go to Google and type in Paulfredrick affiliate program, and it is going to be the first result, which is going to take you to this page to get all of the different facts on the affiliate program and how you can promote it. So go ahead and check it out, guys, and sign up for this affiliate program because you will make money if you do have a male fashion blog or website so that you can promote these offers. So next on my list, guys, is Adidas.com. And as you can see right off the bat, they have some cool sports fashion stuff here that you can promote to your social media profile, on your blog, wherever it is that you are promoting stuff. You will get a high conversion rate because of the types of products this particular website has to offer. Now, if you're in the sports niche or you're in the health and you're in the fitness niche, you can promote stuff from this website to your audience as well. Now, Adidas pays out 90% commission, and they pay out through direct deposits every single month. Now, as you can see here, they have stuff for men, for women, for kids, sports, brands, release, and all of that good stuff. So once you are satisfied and you want to go ahead and join the affiliate program, simply scroll all the way down and you are going to find where it says affiliates. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and sign up with impactradius.com to be able to start promoting Adidas products on your website and your blog. So similar to Paulfredrick.com, this is Mrporter, and this is where you can find all of the male fashion accessories, from clothing, shoes, accessory, watches, sports items, gifts, and all of the different good stuff in the male fashion niche. If you have a blog that is about male fashion, you can go ahead and start promoting this website. Now, they pay out 90% commissions through PayPal every single month to their affiliates. So you can go ahead and check out this site. As you can see, they have tons of awesome products that you can promote. Now, to go ahead and join the affiliate program, simply scroll all the way down when you're on Mrporter.com and select affiliates option. It is going to take you to this page where you can get all the facts and you can be able to apply to join the affiliate program. I recommend that you have a male fashion blog before applying for this affiliate program, or else you will not get accepted. So last on my list, guys, is this website called Newchic.com. And as you can see here, they have some awesome products, guys. If we scroll a little bit down, you're going to see some of the products on this website, and they convert highly if you have a fashion audience. If you have a fashion blog, a social media profile that you feature, everything about fashion, you are going to be able to convert highly with this website, guys. Now, you can get paid up to 50% commissions, and they pay out through PayPal and Western Union every single month. As you can see here, they have all of the different categories for women, summer fashion for men. They also have stuff on here for plus size. They have bags, shoes. They also have items for home and garden, accessories and beauty, and all of that good stuff. So this is going to be perfect for anyone within the fashion niche. Now, to go ahead and sign up with the affiliate program, scroll all the way down and just select where it says affiliate make money to be able to sign up, and it's going to take you to this page where you can go ahead and go through all of the facts and sign up with their affiliate program. So that's it for me, guys. If you want to get my affiliate program handbook, where you're going to find millions of products that you can promote in all of the different niches online, you can go ahead and click the first link in the description below where you can grab my affiliate program handbook. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay awesome until next time.